Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make creme brulee. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 4 egg yolks, 2 vanilla beans. You can substitute a tablespoon of vanilla extract if you'd like, 2 cups of heavy cream, 3/4 cups of sugar divided, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by using a paring knife to slice open our vanilla beans and scrape out the seeds. Then we'll mix together our 2 cups of cream, 1/4 cup of our sugar, vanilla bean seeds in pods, and our 1/4 teaspoon of salt in a medium saucepan, and cook on the stovetop over medium heat until simmering, stirring occasionally. Once our cream mixture begins to simmer, we'll remove it from the heat and allow it to sit for 15 minutes to infuse with our vanilla flavor. Then, we'll preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After 15 minutes, we'll filter out our vanilla bean pods with a fine mesh sieve. Then we'll separate our yolks from our whites using a 3-bowl method, and reserve our egg whites for another recipe. Once separated, we'll whisk in 6 more tablespoons of our sugar until well combined. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon of our cream mixture at a time until our egg yolks are tempered, before whisking in the rest. Once combined, we'll add a half cup of our custard mixture to each of 4 4-ounce ramekins. Then we'll transfer our ramekins to a baking pan large enough to comfortably hold them. Then we'll carefully make a Bain-Marie by pouring boiling hot water into our baking pan until it covers about 2/3 of our ramekins. Then we'll bake our custard for 40 minutes at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, we'll remove our custards from the oven and allow them to cool in the pan for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we'll transfer our ramekins to a wire cooling rack to cool for an additional 15 minutes, before transferring to the refrigerator to chill overnight. After our custards have set, we'll sprinkle each one with about 1 teaspoon of our sugar and brulee it with a torch in a roughly circular motion, about 4 inches above the surface of our custard. The sugar will bead first and then caramelize. If you don't have a torch, you can also brulee them under an oven broiler. Once caramelized, we'll add about another teaspoon of our sugar to each custard and brulee them a second time. We'll allow our bruleed custards to cool for 2 minutes before serving. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.